How to recover from financial loss without letting it ruin your life. Imagine checking your bank account and realizing a big chunk of your savings is gone. Maybe a bad investment went south. Maybe you lost your job. Maybe an unexpected emergency. Wiped out your emergency fund. Whatever the reason, it feels like the ground beneath you has disappeared. But here's the truth. Financial loss may shake you, but it doesn't have to break you. In this video, we're going to walk through a complete step-by-step plan to help you bounce back stronger, smarter, and more in control than ever before. And make sure you stay till the end, because we'll reveal a powerful mindset shift most people never consider, one that could change your entire financial future. Let's begin. Number 1. Feel it, but don't freeze. There, when money disappears, panic often shows up first. Fear, shame, anger, even denial. It's natural to feel all of that. In fact, pretending you're okay can delay your recovery. So give yourself permission to grieve, but set a time limit. For example, if someone loses their job unexpectedly, they might feel embarrassed and even depressed. That's okay for a few days. But don't get stuck there for weeks or months. Set a 72-hour rule. For 3 days, feel everything. Cry, journal, talk to a trusted friend. But on day 4, it's action time. Because feelings alone won't fix your bank balance. Decisions will. Number 2, take a clear, honest inventory. The next step is to know where you really stand. You cannot fix what you don't face. Sit down with a notebook or spreadsheet and ask yourself, what do I have and what do I owe? Add up your checking account, savings, any investments, and even physical assets you could sell. Then add up all your debts, credit cards, loans, bills due soon. Let's say you still have $200 in your checking account, $500 in savings, and a $300 emergency credit card limit. But you also owe $700 in rent, $200 in utilities, and $600 on your credit card. This gives you a real picture, $2,000 in available resources and $1,500 in obligations. You now know what you're working with. This step helps reduce anxiety because uncertainty is often worse than the actual situation. Number 3, trim the financial fat. Immediately, now that you know your numbers, it's time to protect your cash flow. That means cutting all non-essential spending immediately. Think of this as going into financial survival mode. No, it's not fun, but it's temporary, and it could be the reason you keep the lights on next month. Examples of quick cuts. Cancel unused subscriptions, like that $15 gym app you haven't opened in 3 months. Skip dining out and cook at home. Pause online shopping, impulse buys, or luxury items. Call your internet or phone provider to negotiate a cheaper plan. Saving $10 here and $20 there can free up hundreds over a month. It's not about depriving yourself forever. It's about taking control during the storm. Number 4, build a 30-day survival plan. You don't need a perfect 12-month financial strategy right now. You just need a plan that gets you through the next 30 days. Ask, what are your must-pay expenses? Rent, food, utilities. What income is guaranteed to come in? Where can you temporarily delay or reduce costs? Let's say your rent is $800, groceries are $250, and your utility bill is $100. That's $1,150 in basic needs. If you can bring in at least that much, you'll stay afloat. This plan removes guesswork. You'll know exactly how much you need to survive the month and can focus your energy on hitting that number. Number 5, don't go through it. Alone, many people feel ashamed after losing money. They don't want to admit they messed up or need help. But staying silent only makes things harder. Reach out to someone. Maybe a mentor, a family member, or a free financial counselor. There are nonprofit agencies that can help you restructure your debt, negotiate with creditors, or even help you apply for financial aid. One man who lost thousands in a failed business admitted his mistake to his brother, and that conversation led to a referral for a part-time job that kept him afloat for 6 months. The point is, people can't help you if they don't know you need it. Number 6. Find emergency income, even if it's small. When money is tight, income is the lifeline. And in today's gig economy, there are ways to earn fast, even with limited skills. You could deliver food or groceries using apps like DoorDash or Instacart, offer pet sitting or babysitting in your neighborhood, sell unused items online like electronics, clothes, or furniture. Freelance basic skills like writing, graphic design, or virtual assistants. Even if you earn just $100 per week by tutoring or doing odd jobs, that's $400 per month. That could cover groceries or utilities. Don't let pride stop you. Money is money. Number 7. Focus on micro wins to rebuild. Confidence, financial loss isn't just about dollars, it hits your self-esteem. You might start thinking you're bad with money or unlucky. That's where micro wins come in. A micro win is any small step in the right direction. It could be paying off a $40 balance on a credit card, putting $10 into savings, applying to 3 jobs in one day. Each win creates momentum. And over time, these little steps stack into real change. Keep a journal or list of your wins. This will remind you that you're not failing. You're fighting. Number 8. Learn the lesson so you don't repeat the pain. Every financial setback has a lesson behind it. Your job is to find it, learn from it, and grow. Did you overextend on credit? Did you ignore red flags in an investment? Did you rely on one income stream that wasn't secure? A woman I know invested $5,000 in a friend's startup with no paperwork or due diligence. She lost everything, but she now insists on contracts, financial statements, and third-party reviews for every investment. That painful mistake turned into a permanent strength. Don't waste the pain. Use it. Number 9. Set a new goal. Even a tiny one. When you're in survival mode, it feels silly to set goals. But goals give you direction and hope. Choose one small, clear financial goal that you can realistically achieve in 30 to 60 days. Examples. Save $100 in an emergency fund. Earn $200 from a side hustle. Pay off your smallest debt. Once you hit that goal, you'll feel stronger and ready to set a bigger one. Number 10. Guard your thoughts. Like a bank vault, your thinking will either pull you up or push you down. Thoughts like, I'm doomed, or I'll never recover, are not only unhelpful, they're untrue. You have to train your mind to speak the truth. This is hard, but I've handled hard things before. Losing money doesn't mean I'm a failure. It means I'm learning. This is temporary. I will bounce back. Think of your thoughts like money habits. If you let them run wild, they can bankrupt your future. But if you train them, they'll build your wealth. Number 11. Create a financial safety net for next time. When you've recovered, don't go back to living the way you were. Build better systems so you're never caught off guard again. Here's how. Save at least $1,000 in an emergency fund, budget monthly, and track spending weekly. Automatically transfer $10 to savings every time you get paid. Get insurance coverage for health, home, and your car. Never rely on one source of income. Create a backup plan. These habits act like armor. When life throws the next curveball, you'll be ready. Number 12. You are not your mistakes. Let this sink in. Your financial past does not define your financial future. You are not your debt. You are not your failed business. You are not your overdraft balance. You are someone who had a tough season and chose to rise. Walt Disney went bankrupt. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. Oprah Winfrey lost jobs and battled poverty. Every successful person you admire has faced financial loss. What sets them apart is that they didn't give up. You are not broken. You are rebuilding. And that changes everything. Now that you've learned the step-by-step plan to recover from financial loss, we want to hear from you. Have you ever faced a major financial setback? What did you do to bounce back? Share your story in the comments. You never know who you might inspire.